Hey guys, it's your boy Lovin here, back with another video, and today I'm going to show you how to do the Futsal Shuffle. Guys, if the video is too quick for you, you can slow it down to 0.5, just so that you can follow the moves and steps a lot easier. So guys, there's two parts to this dance routine. Let me show you the first one. So the first step is to kick out with both feet, like this. From here guys, you want to kick out with either your left foot or your right foot, whichever one you prefer and like better. And then from here, you want to switch. So kick out, take a step, switch, take a step forward. And then from here, you want to kick out again. And then from the kick out, you want to switch and then come back to the normal position again. So let me summarize it for you again, guys. What you want to do is kick out with both feet, kick, switch, hop forward, kick, switch, and step back to the original position again. So once you've practiced the steps, guys, it should look a little something like this. Part number 2 of the dance routine is you're doing the same thing, but now you're going to include stepping out and stepping right. So let me show you how it's done. Kick out with both feet, kick, switch, hop forward, kick, switch, and then step to the left, kick, switch, and step to the right, kick, switch, and then both feet out again, and then boom, both feet together. So step out with both feet, kick, switch, hop forward, kick, switch, step to the left, kick, switch, step to the right, kick, switch. It's both feet out and both feet together. So guys, when you get the hang of part 2, it should look a little something like this. So now, when you put both parts together, guys, it should look a little something like this. So now that I've shown you the dance routine, let me show you the dance with the song.
Yeah, that girl, she got on my clone. I told that little girl that she gotta just do better. Are you serious? I swear my money is serious. Okay, all my checks, I just be clearing it. She sell my dick till she get delirious. Okay, jump on the jet so I'm clearing it. Okay, pop, but I'm not talking new. Okay, smoke that boy just like a cigarette. If that boy try to make a fuss move, I'm on some whole other shit. I got a whole nother rich. I'm on a new level. I was fucking on your bitch. She was riding on.
Thanks for watching the Futsal Shuffle tutorial, guys. Please like, comment, subscribe down below, and let me know what you think. Let me know what tutorials you want me to teach or what dance moves you want to see. For now, guys, peace out.